I just took this trade, just made my first profit on gold for the day on my challenge account, that is, right? I'm on the demo phase. It's a two-phase evaluation from Equity Edge. So I just want to try out this prop film. It's actually my first time trading prop film account, so let's go to break down this trade. It was a buy actually, as you can see. So now, without wasting much of your time, let me explain how I did get that trade. Okay, so I'll just explain as the analysis is already there, right? So here's what happened. Okay, that's just my other analysis. Okay, now here's what happened. I saw that price is making lower lows, right? Then after that, price broke this structure right here, and when price broke that structure, it shot up there. Okay, there was actually news for that. So the news led to price breaking up to that side, breaking this structure. So now I had to mark zones, areas of interest, right? Okay, I think if I say break of structure, it's gonna raise a lot of, I don't know, debates and stuff like, hey, that is not a break of structure, that's a change of car, whatever, bro. It broke this previous high. Let me say that it broke this previous high. That's the simplest way to say this. It broke this previous high. So I waited for, as price did that, it shot up. Now what next? Now I had to look for areas of interest, because I knew that price, first of all, price broke our trend line, and it also broke that previous high. I knew price was gonna definitely come back for a retest and shoot back up, right? So now what did I do? Now, after I saw that breakout, I had to wait. I had to wait for price. I marked these two zones. Oh, sorry for that. I marked these two zones. I had to find zones where I'm sure that the market sorry for that, where that the market will reverse, zones that can reverse the market, right? So I found, I marked this first zone here, and I marked this second zone. Now let me remove those so that you can see properly. I marked this zone, this one, then I marked this one. So now what next? I did place limit orders there, a buy limit there with my stop loss somewhere there, targeting that high. Did the same with this right there, targeting. Sorry, I've got a flu, so don't mind me. Don't mind the coughing and stuff. So now I waited for price to return, right? And as price was returning, I had a class. So I just cancelled my limit orders. So what now? For me to enter, okay, I had a 1 hour class, so I went to class, and when I came back, I saw price was just at that zone. I don't know, was it luck or something, but I regret not leaving my limit orders. But I usually like to be watching the trades as it is happening, because usually sometimes the market can just cross this zone and go directly to this one, then go up, right? So I had fear about that. That's why I like to be present, because this is scalping, right? So you need to be present at the moment and be focused to see what the market is giving you, right? To see the characteristics the market is giving you. So now, as I was coming to class, wait, forgot I'm using TradingView Premium. Sorry for that. Like, I could have just done this. Sorry for that. Anyway, so as I was coming to class, no, actually the market was here at this level. As I was coming to class, price was rejecting at that zone. I saw very strong rejection, right? At my first zone there. At my first zone, I saw a very strong rejection there. So, at this zone, right? I saw a very strong rejection. Then, I was just looking at the market because usually price can just reject at these zones and then go up somewhere there and then, you know, go back down. That's why I really needed to be present at this when trading this zone. Sorry for that. So now price went down, then gave us a pin bar. After I waited for this candle to close, and when this candle closed, there's a pin bar. That's when I entered. I put my stop loss, and this time I wasn't putting my stop loss. I entered there as soon as that pin bar closed, because that was like another second confirmation, right? First, the strong rejection. Second, the pin bar, and also prices at that strong support zone or demand zone, whatever you can call it. So now I had to put my stop loss just below the pin bar, right? Because I knew that price sometimes I wasn't gonna put it below my demand zone, because bro, if price is coming down crossing that pin bar, it's definitely gonna cross that zone. So I just had to do that. I had to put it just below the pin bar. Then I aimed for the next structure, right? The next high, which was that one, because price has shifted bullish, and now I was waiting for price to break that high, and I put my take profit just there, and I was risking 0.5%. I managed to make I managed to make 2% by risking 0.5%, right? As you can see in that trade. Yeah, so as soon as I entered, price did its thing, you know, shot up, win profits, made 2% for the day. Yeah, and I'm still looking for other opportunities, and if I get other opportunities, I'm gonna. But anyway, I don't want this video to be too long. I hope you understood what I said there. If you have any questions, drop in the comment section. Thank you for watching.